ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅನುಭವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ಬೋಧನಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸವಲತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅನುಭವಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಂದ ದೇಶದ ಸತ್ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುರುಗಳು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಾಲೆ ಎಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸುವುದು ಉತ್ತಮ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹಿರಿಯರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಓದಿದವರು.
The factories must learn to keep smoke away. If the animals could talk, if the animals could talk, what would they say? What would they say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, what would it say? If the earth could talk, what would it say? Protect me by making everyday Earth Day. Protect me by making everyday Earth Day.
Indian national symbols.
Indian national flag.
Indian national emblem.
National anthem. National song Vande Mataram.
National bird peacock. National tree banyan tree.
Indian national aquatic animal dolphin. National river Ganga. National game Aki. National reptile king cobra.
Indian national vegetable pumpkin.
Indian currency rupee.
Good afternoon everyone. Today our school 7th standard students are going to play a beautiful game about usage of to be form verbs. Please watch and
I am, he is, it is, we are, he is, you are, Rama is, they are, she is, dog is, we are, Sita is.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Amruta. I am studying in 6th standard. My school name is Government Higher Primary School Nirlay. Today let us learn punctuation marks. Today let us learn punctuation marks. This is full stop. This is comma. This is colon. This is question mark. This is exclamation mark. This is quotation marks or double inverted comma. This is slash. This is round brackets or parenthesis. This is square brackets. This is hyphen. Thank you. Today I am going to tell the summary of the poem Sympathy. Please listen and enjoy. Once I was very sad. A proud man heard my grief. He gave me some money but did not say even a single word of kindness. When my sorrow was over, I went to him, gave back money and thanked him. After some time I was again in trouble. A poor man passed by me. He bandaged my head. He gave me bread and he looked after me day and night. I feel I won't be able to repay him because sympathy is more precious than gold. Thank you.